Okay, I think we can start. So we are here with... Hello, I'm Matteo Pedranz, a PhD student from the University of Trento in Italy. And what's your research about? Do you have a backup question? No. Okay then. My research is about the design of thick-walled components made of ductile cast iron. And why would you be interested in this? The main problem related to large casts is the unavoidable low cooling rate. The larger or thicker the component, the lower the cooling rate. This can induce the formation of casting defects, such as degenerated graphite or shrinkage pores. These defects have a strong impact on the mechanical properties of the material. My goal is to develop new criteria to design large components made of ductile cast iron. What mechanical properties are you investigating? I am investigating both static and fatigue properties, trying to find a correlation among them and the distribution of defects within the material. For example, the fatigue properties of ductile cast irons are highly influenced by the presence of shrinkage pores. My research group and I developed a statistical framework to carry out fatigue predictions of notches with variable geometry. We combine computed tomography, finite element models, and the concept of highly stressed volume to evaluate the interaction between pores and notches. That's great, but as far as I know, mechanical components are subjected to both multiaxial and very complex loading conditions. You are right, that's why I have been working on a multiaxial fatigue criterion. This criterion is based on the strain energy density and includes both the axial and the torsional loading, the effect of mean stresses, and the effect of out-of-phase loading. It has been validated on 3 different ductile cast iron grades, obtaining good predictions with an average error of about 8%. This is very interesting, isn't it? So we have time for one last question. What are your plans for the future? I want to test the criteria developed so far on a real component. In the meanwhile, I'd like to investigate the effect of solidification conditions on the distribution of defects within the material. The final goal is to put everything together, thus obtaining a global approach to design large components made of ductile cast iron. Well, time's over. Thank you, Matteo. Thank you.